My name is Jerry Flanagan. I'm the CEO and co-founder of JDog Brands. I basically started out the company with a Jeep and a trailer with my wife, and as we grew the company, we realized there was a need for quality customer control. And throughout those years, we've tried different systems to implement our growth. But once we landed with Workiz several years ago, it really enabled our franchisees to get what they need. So we're looking forward to working with Workiz over the next many years and getting this veteran brand to over 1,000 locations. I think one of the biggest reasons moving over to Workiz has been the consolidation of the scheduler, the invoicing, and all of the other line items that a small business needs. Well, in 2019, two things happened. Number one, we started working with Workiz, and number two, we launched our carpet cleaning business. So we're already launched up to over 30 carpet cleaning franchises, and we're edging towards 300 locations for junk removal. So since the last 4 years partnering with Workiz, we've seen a massive growth. Workiz is working behind the scenes to make sure our franchisees are communicating, getting the proper reports we need for our staff, and making sure that we're all doing the same thing the same way with respect, integrity, trust, with the software behind us. We don't have to worry about whether this franchise is using this software or this franchise is using another. When you grow a system as big as ours, you need a partner like Workiz.